Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and update Realtek HD audio driver in Windows 11 easy tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, let's try to see first if you're using a Realtek driver. So click onto the start button in here and then try to find in device manager. So you could type in there device manager. Then right after, just open that. And then right after, once you're in here, just go ahead and try to expand the sound, video, and game controllers. So you have that here onto the bottom part. So as you can see, we have there visible what we are using as our audio driver. So you have Realtek audio here. So for us to be able to go ahead and update this, you'll just have to right click onto that. And there should be an option to update the driver. So if you click onto that, there should be two options, search automatically or browse your computer. So if you have manually installed it using the Realtek website or official website, or you have downloaded that, then you could browse your computer for that one. But so that you could go ahead and save yourself from the hassle, you could search automatically for drivers. And if there is a newer version, Windows will install it for you. So since we have the best drivers already installed in here, so there is no need to update. But if there is an update, restart your PC afterward. And that is just basically it. You have downloaded or updated your Realtek HD audio driver on Windows 11. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.